Hello. How are you? How are you doing? I think everyone is all right. So today we are going to make a long multiplication, as if we have finished to kind of multiplication tables. So now let us see how can you multiply main numbers without by in quick ways. For example, let's take 71 times 4. For example, we have learned the 4 times table. Now we can use the 4 times table to make a long multiplication of these numbers. So how do we do this kind of multiplication? So you take this 4 times, or you can also make a 4 times aside, like 4 times 1, we know that is 4, 4 times 2 is 4 plus 8, 4 is 8 always, 4 times 3 is 8 plus 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 12 plus 4, which is 16, and then 4 times 5 is 16 plus 4 is 20, 4 times 6 is 20 plus 4 is equal to 24, right? And 4 times 7 is equal to 24 plus 4, which is 28. So after putting aside a 4 times table, and we have to limit on 7 as the highest value we have there, and 1. So now for this step, you can now do it easily by using these tables we have. So how? You take this 4 times 1, and already you know we have there 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4, and then 4 times 1, you write there 4. So 4 times 7, 4 times 7 we have seen in our 4 times table. For this one is this 4 times 7 is 28. So then you come here, 4 times 7 is 28. So the solution of our question is this one. That means 4 times 71 is equal to 284. That is correct. All right. So another example, you can have another example. This is one example. Second one, you can have maybe 92 times 4. We are still on 4. So as there we had 4 times from 1 up to 7 because it was a highest value we had. So now we are now going to continue with our 4 times table. 4 times 8 28 plus 4, which is 32, and 4 times 9 32 plus 4, which is 36. So now we have 9 there, which is in our second example. So now, as we did for the first example, here we take this 4 times 2, and also we had it in our table of multiplication, which was this one. Okay, fine. So 4 times 2 is 8, and there you write 8. So then 4 times 9, 4 times 9 will be, you will also come in your table and you have there 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is this one. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. So then you write, you write 36 there, and the solution will be 368, and which is correct. All right, so as you see, you can do every kind of numbers. So let's take maybe another example. Example number 3. Example number 3. Example number 3. It's like example number 3. Example number 3. Let's take long numbers and make we multiplying with the 4 long number. Here you can take 3,467 times 4. Easy. 3,467 times 4. So here, how do we perform this kind of multiplication? It's simple. We have seen that in our multiplication table, 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. So there, we will write down 8 and we preserve 2. Preserve aside 2. 2 there. 4 times 6 on our table is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. So then you come back and remember we have reserved the 2 aside. So 24 plus 2 is 26. So then we will write there a 6 and again we preserve 2 there. So then 4 times 4 on our multiplication table is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So then 16 will take 16 plus 2, reserved 2 will be 18. So now we write down 8 and we preserve 1. So then for the last, 4 times 3 on our table is 12. So 12 plus 1 reserved is 13. So we write down 13 because it's the last number, 13. So as you see, the solution we have is 13,868. 13,868. This is the final answer, which is correct. So guys, thank you for watching us on this session, and I hope that you really enjoyed with the multiplication process. See you in next session, and please don't forget to like and leave a comment down there, and also share for others. Thank you and see you again.